Now, excuse me if I take your time, our time, but let me say one thing.
I am a Catalan.
Today, a province of Spain.
But what has been Catalonia?
Catalonia has been the greatest nation in the world.
I will tell you why.
Catalonia has had the first parliament much before England.
Catalonia had the beginning of the United Nations.
All the authorities of Catalonia in the 11th century met in the city of France.
At that time, Catalonia
To speak about peace.
Peace in the world.
And against the war. The
Inhumanity of war.
This was Catalonia.
I am so happy.
So moved to be here with you, dear.